that. You can't blame it all on alcohol.
Susan doesn't seem to be for either side, but she did bring up a point.
In my church, they don't say the use of alcohol is wrong in itself. Personally, I don't care one way or the other about drinking. But it's all right with me if other people want to. That is, if they behave themselves.
Some of the kids feel you've got to drink to be one of the gang.
That's what I say. If you want to be one of the gang, you've got to act like one of the gang. You don't want people to think you're a square, do you?
Do you mean to say you think you have to drink? I don't drink, and I get along all right with the gang.
Well, I think our parents are concerned mainly about kids who drink deliberately, to get high and put on an act.
It's not a simple question, is it? There seem to be many different opinions, even among our own gang. Each one of us must make up his own mind. It isn't easy. What do you think? What about drinking?